You don't know how much I wanted this. In my previous video, I told you when God comes through for you, when God is for you, then who can be against you, my dad or my sister? So this is the Sufuria. So beautiful people of the internet, it's your girl Nasamasi, but if you like it, you can call me crazy baby. So it is yet another video of hauls, but I'm not even sure if I'm going to Kamukunji or Isili. I'm not sure if I'm going to. Anyway, wacha tukifika tao, we will know where we are going. So I decided to put on this bucket hat, a bucket or whatever hat, because of the jua that is out here. It's juaing, guy. This jua is juaing. Anyway, so guys, first of all, how are you? Hope uko fiti, uko freshi barida. I have missed you. Another thing, when you're planning to go to Kamukunji and you haven't like checked your pockets very well, unaweza rudi home without nothing, like with nothing, because hizi sufuria, they are expensive. They're expensive, so you have to go like kama umejisort, umejipanga. So obviously we are going to Kamukunji at this point, but something you need to know when you come to Kamukunji is that this place is always busy. Like, people out here have money. Where are they getting this money? Hey? Anyways, so I spotted this nyash and it looks nice. Wanasema just small nyash de sheko. Anywho, tulikuwa tunaenda building inaitwa Frame Plaza. Yes, inaitwa Frame Plaza, shop number 33, na iko ground floor. I think that's all you need to know ukifika Kamukunji. Where else, sufuria ni zile, price ni ile when you go to different shops. So ukifika tu mali unaona the sufuria that you want, as long as you have the bargaining skills, you will get it. Azi, that's too fancy for me. Nini? Hiyo mtu anaweka maji moto? Okay. Hii nataka mtu ako na bwana na mabibi na hii fridge guard unauzaje baby? 650.
Hakuna mtu anatuingi nipatie.
Hata ni vile sinakwambia ni vile customer alikakata.
Kwa nini?
Amushikia tu nikupe.
Oh, thanks. Sitadali. You know that
250.
kuna plain white.
That one. Lakini si
inaweza kuwa branded.
Iko na hizi.
Na microwave mnauzaje?
Direct kwa hiyo grill.
So this is way later at night. It's around 11 p.m. I was getting ready to go to sleep, and then I remembered I had to do this video today. If not today, I won't have any other time. So I bought this. Sufurias, just because we told. Anyway, even though Zinaka, let me get a knife. Acha tufungue. Let me unbox it with you guys.
Now we are there.
So this is the kifuniko of the big sufuria. Later the lid. I don't know what I'll be cooking with this one since I live alone. And then I can't wait to pop these things out. The utoto in me. Anyway. So these are the sufurias, and then hii ni kifuniko. I want to tengeneza them and then I'll show you za kuconnect kwa the funiko. And then this is the smallest. You don't know how much I wanted this. In my previous video I told you, when God comes through for you, when God is for you, then who can be against you, my dad or my sister? So this is the sufuria. On my previous video unazaona kulikuwa I was asking for bei ya hizi. They were going for 8,000, but I bargained. Nikauziwa nikauziwa 7,500. Still a lot of money. So when you're planning to go buy sufurias, any good kama umejipanga. And then this is the second sufuria. Looks so nice. Kulikuwa na hii color kwa hii brand ilikuwa na this color na maroon, but I didn't want maroon because I don't have anything in my house that is maroon. I also don't have anything in my house that is this color, but this one was better than maroon. So now this is the pan. Inakaa vizuri chini. Alafu kulikuwa na the other one yenye ni black ndani. That is one of the cheapest sufurias. They go for around was it 5,000 to 6,500. This one is yenye ndani ni black and then outside is another color. So I heard that those ones are not nini, iyo black yenye inakuwa ndani within time ina fade off. So I just needed to buy something that will not disappoint me, something that I'll be using for some time, and this will surely come through for me. So this is the pan. This is the biggest sufuria. So hizi ni zoma vifuniko. The vifuniko ndo hizi. It's taking a lot of time. I don't want to waste your time. Well, so this one is vifuniko. I'll connect them by the end of the video. I'll show you vile zinakaa. So they also come with this. I love them so much. Kuna yenye nilikuwa nimebaige komba nimechomeka yote, so this will come through for me. Actually didn't know iko hapa, so I'm surprised. And this is the biggest sufuria. So kama kabash katajipa, I might have very many guests. I think now I can satisfy them. So here iko na 5 pieces. Nimechoka kusimama, nimechoka kuinama. So iko na 5 pieces. and hii ni kwa hapo katikati. So let me show you the whole pieces. Sorry for corner here. And then we have this. They'll be making some noise. A lot of noise actually. And then we have this, the pan. And then we have this other two. So this is the complete set. Alafu vifuniko zake bado sijatengeneza, but I'll be doing it in a few. Anyway, so the other thing I bought is this. Let me unbox it with you guys. Ni toothpaste dispenser. It's a toothpaste dispenser, and it is supposed to look like this. I don't know, copy camera. It is supposed to look exactly like this. Hey, cause mimi nimeka ninizo ma toothbrushes kwa kikombe, and I wanted something more modern and more. It looks nice. It looks fancy kiasi, right? So this is how it's looking. Hii ni ya kustick kwa ukuta. Let me put it down. And then this is how it's supposed to look like. So the other thing I bought is this like a nice mug. Hata mmeona kwa video nilishika. There was this one and the pink one, and then I just fell in love with this. I am not a huge lover of green and whatever. Sorry for the noise. I'm not a huge lover of green, yes, but I love mugs, and this is going to come through for me. I have another one in a pink, ni kubwa, and I bought this one because ni kadogo, and you can actually travel with it or something. Yep. So the other thing I bought was this one. Like I told you guys on the previous video, I was manifesting a fridge which I got, and I need tins or containers. The other ones I bought, there were also 6. Alafu hii ni 150, nimesahau kuambia. Also this is 150. I bought it at 150, and then this is one I bought it at 350, and the dispenser I bought it at 450. Yes. And the sufurias I bought them at 75, and walikuwa wanataka kunuzia 8, cause that the first price they gave me was 85, and then wakashinda kwa 8, and then me I was like, I really want these sufurias, but I only have 75. And they came through for me. They understood my situation, because I didn't want to like go out of Kamukunji without them, and at the same time I didn't have enough money. But ukijiongea, people listen, and kuna expectations that ukienda Kamukunji you will find things that are cheap, and yes, they are cheap than going to your local supermarket and you will find it at a huge price. They are cheap somehow, but ni expensive. You know, buying sufuria at 7,500. You know me, I'm here complaining 7,500, and there are some people out here who are buying these sufurias at 14k, 15, 20, you know. But that is how far my pockets can stretch. But I'm very happy I got them, kwa sababu mkezaona masufuria zenye nilikuwa natumia. Hey, her girl Toto needed to upgrade her kitchen. Anyway, that's all from the video, and please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alafu wacha niwashow. A year ago I never thought I would be somewhere. I'll be where I am today. But who is God? Like, who is God? And I also know a year from now I won't be where I am right now, cause 1, I am hardworking. 2, I am a prayerful woman. 3, God is always by my side. And kama tu vile nilisema, if God is for me, then who can be against me? Anyway, apart from all that, girl power, we are making it in life. Pole pole tu, it's one step at a time, one step at a go. But I want to shikanisha the vifuniko, and then I show you, and then I'll be done with you guys. You won't see my face again. So guys, this is how it's looking like, the lid. Okay, so this is how it's looking like. I have already taken all of them, and here they are. I hope mnaweza ziona zote. Yeah, so here they are. They are 5 pieces, and yeah, I have myself this cute surprise. I did it. Okay, so this is from me to you guys. This is a wrap. Anyway, like, comment, and do share. And kama video imekubamba, please subscribe. We are on the road to 5k subscribers, and it's because of you guys that I'm here. So please, peace out.